Alright, we have arrived to the one of the beaches in Uluwatu. It's called Smelasti Beach, but unfortunately, as you see, the entrance is totally closed, and even there are some pecalang security waiting. They barricade the road totally, so no chance to enter, and we are waiting for the further notice when will be open.
Okay, so because Melasti Beach is closed, we are just taking turn back. So we will go to Blue Point Beach or Padang Padang.
Even the beach there is probably closed, but there is the village what we would like to show you, and we will see if it's even open and how's life look like in Uluwatu, right?
Okay.
Alright, so we are in Uluwatu, and this is the drifter on the right here, and the surf center. So many shops and bars for surfers. However, seems like everything is closed here. So that's how it look like. And we are on the way to the Blue Point. Here is the Radisson Blue entrance to the
Anantara Hotel Resort. And also this area is also famous for the surfers. So many hotels, small hotels, homestays, surf shop, as you see on the left, on the right side.
We also got the request to show you this area of Uluwatu, because obviously if you are a surfer and used to live in Uluwatu, you must know this area very well. And also surfers watching us, so enjoy, folks.
Like I told you, on the left, on the right is the hotel, and this one is famous Padang Padang Beach. And here is the car park. You see?
Padang Padang Beach.
Yes, this one, Padang Padang Beach.
Unfortunately, beach is closed. However, we're gonna stop here on the bridge and we're gonna show you a little bit. So this is the famous Padang Padang beach and the bridge, actually bridge. The beaches looks like this. There are some people trying to sell some goodies, and the guy I think fixing the something, I don't know. And meanwhile that's how it looks the beach, as you see. Not many, nobody's on the beach, and that's how it looks like.
So now we are entering to Blue Point area. As you see, I think this one is another busy spot in Uluwatu. I mean, like many guest house, warung, restaurant, homestays. Yeah, and also there is one beach club. It's called Ulu Cliff House, if you turn right. Yeah,
it's like a center of Uluwatu for the life, right? Like a party in general life. That's how it looks inside the one of the village here in the Blue Point area. As you see, it's very sunny, so I'm so sorry it's so bright. However, that's how it looks the life. I could say it's deserted. There is lady waiting for customers, and that's how it looks the street. Almost nothing is happening.
Alright, so because everything is closed, now we are heading back to Jimbaran area. And as you see, this is the road between Padang Padang and what is it called? Blue Point. Quite small road though. And then yeah, this is how it is. And I don't think that it's the light street here working well. So here is the famous Padang Padang Beach. I think this beach is for the Eat Pray Love movie, right? For a long time ago. Yeah, Labuan side. And as you see, it's closed. And yeah, this is the area with the warung and homestay.
This is we're going back, and yeah, we just wanna show you from the different perspective how it looks there. This area over here.
Yeah, as you see there, the shop, I think this is the restaurant. You see no dine-in, takeaway only. And this one also only the staff there.
And here is the famous drifter also.
Yeah, so this one is Drifter restaurant.
But yeah, that's how it looked like.
Yeah, so this is like in in Uluwatu. One spot will be many people and another spot will be empty. There is no building at all. So yeah, the road also is small like this.
And now it's very like uphill drive. So
this is the area of Dreamland Pechatu, and yeah,
if you're gonna go to the left, this is the complex, like golf course and everything.
yeah,
So that's how it look like.
yeah. I don't know whether Dreamland Beach is open or closed.
Because that
don't
belongs
know.
to the private property, right? So not sure, but that's how it looks like. And this is like a part of Pechatu where is local life going. So that's how it look like.
Okay, so this is the, let's say, the local life in Uluwatu.
Yeah, in
Seems
Uluwatu area.
busy.
Well, obviously it's already a local area. It's not much tourist places here. Yeah, mostly local warung shops and stuff like this. So life looks completely different. Yeah.
Yeah, and also at this time, like
It's
the
red.
traffic. Yeah, normally at normal time, at this time I mean that after the Kecak dance, will be so much traffic.
Yeah, but now it's much better. And yeah. Anyway, it's 5:30 p.m. so it's already a little bit cooler, not as sunny as before. People are leaving to buy something before 8 o'clock.
Yeah. So now we are heading to the GWK area.
Yeah, and you there.
And yeah, this is the intersection, the most busiest intersection. Oh, there is a bazaar here on the left, and then
Yeah, the
Yeah.
junction. This junction is always busy. So be careful always when you are here.
wow. The people just driving here, and then on the right side, this is the GWK Cultural Park. Still remain closed, and then yeah, we just park here to show you how it is.
So that's how it looks the live here. And just at the front of us is the entrance to the GWK famous Garuda Vishnu Kencana statue. Unfortunately seems closed already for 1.5 years. They had a break open for 2 months. If you're following me already longer, you should know that. But after that it's closed and nobody knows when it will be open again. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. The situation actually in the center of Uluwatu is quite busy, but this is local. More local people living here than the closer to the cliffs and the ocean.
Alright guys, so I think that this is the update from the Uluwatu and Jimbaran. We were in Pantai Melasti, and then we went to Blue Point, Padang Beach, and then everything is closed. And then behind us is GWK, and we also passed the Dreamland. I don't know about Dreamland, maybe open or closed. It belongs to the private area. Okay, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Take care, guys.
So look at this beautiful sunset. So we cannot watch the sunset from the beach, but at least we can still watch sunset on the road.
From the beautiful motorway. By the way, motorway is also
So beautiful.